Hi, hello everyone. So in this lesson we are going to learn room database. So I'm going to teach you in a very simple way, stick to content, and let's get started. So what is this room library? So room is just a library. It is going to help us to communicate with the built-in database, that is SQLite database. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn. In this lesson we are going to save some data to SQLite database using room library, and then we will try to retrieve the data what we saved in the SQLite database using the room library. Okay, so let's get started. So what is basically a database? Database is a place where we can save and retrieve our data. That is what basically a database means. In general, if I ask you what are the databases you know, so you might answer saying the famous databases like SQL, MySQL, MS Access, and even cloud databases. Many answers you will give. So these are all external databases. Okay. For example, if you take SQL server, you will be installing that SQL server into your system, okay, because it's an external database. But in Android, we have a built-in predefined lightweight database available. You no need to install it, you can simply start using it just by creating object to it. Okay, so in Android we have a predefined built-in lightweight database available, that is called SQLite database. It is used to store large amount of data offline. Okay, so it saves, so how the data will be saved in SQLite database is in a file format. That file will be having the extension .db. Okay, yeah, as I told you again, you no need to install it. It's a built-in. It's a built-in that comes with every Android device, every Android OS. Okay. So coming to room is a library. Okay, it's a library that is going to help you to efficiently communicate with the SQLite database in a fastest way. Okay, fastest and easiest way possible. Okay, so as it is an external library, we need to add dependencies to the build.gradle file. So coming one more time, so room is a library that is going to help you to communicate with the built-in database. So in Android we have a predefined built-in database available, that is called SQLite database, and for you can use this SQLite database for saving large amount of data offline. Okay, so the extension of this file db file is .db, and it will be saving the data as a file only. Okay, fine. So these are the dependencies. You need to add a plugin Kotlin KAPT, and you need to add these dependencies to work with the room database. For example, let me show you